Hi, my name is Rahul Gangwal and I've just come to collect my new car MG Astor from Morris Garage, and I've given it for graphene coating and for filming, Lumar filming with Glossgenic here in Pune at AMANORA. I've searched many people who were doing studio designing and detailing, and finally I selected on Glossgenic. Couple of points, they have a good reputation, and more important, it was very affordable to the pocket. And at the end of it, as I can see, I'm very happy with the finish, and it's all thanks to Navnath and Swapnil. So if you need to get this work done, you can contact both of them, but Glossgenic I would recommend highly to everyone. And you can see my red beauty has now become much more beautiful. So I love this car, and as you can see, it's glossed out everywhere. So excellent work done, thumbs up, 5-star to them. I did something totally new to give it a little bit of sporty look. As you can see, I have painted my calibers red here, and along with the red this thing, so it looks nice. All the 4 calibers in the front as well as the back are now painted with red, so it gives it a very nice sporty look, and it brings out more of the Astor.
Thank you.
Thank you.